Hello, I am Lavina, and this is my Teach 259 comic book e-portfolio website. As you can see, we will be looking at my resume, my teaching philosophy, a lesson plan I created in class, the concept map that explains how my e-portfolio is organized, and some projects that I worked on. My background is in culinary arts. I worked as a chef at a few different restaurants around Lincoln, as well as in Minneapolis and the mountains of Colorado. I live in Lincoln with my husband and my cat. I used to own a cupcake bakery, and that was where I was working when I decided I wanted to go back to school and become a teacher. So let's take a look around. There's a navigation bar up top here, and then over to the side. We'll start first with my resume. This is the resume that I will included for my application to go to the Teachers College and to do my student teaching. It's going to look a little bit different when I graduate. I'm going to have some different things that are necessary for a teacher's resume, but this is where I'm at right now. My teaching philosophy is a paper that I wrote for this class to describe why it is that I feel I want to become a teacher and what kind of teacher I want to be. The lesson plan that I worked on was about the 60s generation. It was for a social studies classroom. We looked at learning theories, objectives and instructional materials. We analyzed the students that would be in our classes, came up with some theories for how to create activities and assessment, and what the classroom might be like. Let's see. All right, next up is the concept map. I created my concept map using Bubble.us, which is an online graphic organizer website. It's pretty cool. You should check it out. It's really easy. So, as you can see, this is me in the center of the world. My homepage, projects, teaching philosophy, web resources, instructional practice, and my resume. Okay, next up is class projects. The game project was one that I worked on in a small group. We chose to do Mad Gab. Ha ha ha, I'm a love machine. That's a little Mad Gab commercial, and it sort of describes the way Mad Gab works. You basically just have some different phrases that you need to guess in order to win the prize. Next up was the movie that we worked on. We did our project about American Sign Language, and we made a little sweet movie with the alphabet and a song from Little Mermaid, as you may recall. Back to the game project. And for our social media project, we chose to look at Pinterest. I had never heard of Pinterest before this class, but I think it's pretty cool. It's a way that you can connect and organize your ideas visually, which I think is really nice for students who are more interested in pictures and learning about the world through imagery. I would like to thank you for coming by and looking at my website. I think it's pretty awesome that we got a chance to do this. So I hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit about me. Peace out.